you're standing up to give a presentation and there's a lot at stake, you take a deep breath, exhale, and smile, appearing confident and in control as you walk to the front of the room. Turning, you address your audience, talking through this first slide. At this point, the last thing you need is for your technology to fail. A cheap PowerPoint remote, for example, that leaves you scrambling back to your PC just to change your slides. The takeaway? Don't buy an unproven presentation remote. Trusted by business and presentation professionals for over 20 years, RemotePoint presenters continue to lead the industry. Why? They're simple to set up, easy to use, powerful, and they just work every single time. Try the award-winning RemotePoint Navigator, large slide buttons, red laser pointer, 75-foot range, and no learning curve. Or the powerful Remote Jade, slide buttons, bright green laser, mouse control, and a 150-foot wireless range. Or perhaps the stylish Global Presenter, large slide buttons, red laser pointer, mouse control, and a 100-foot range. Or try the Executive's Choice, the sleek RemotePoint Emerald, large slide buttons, bright green laser, 100-foot range, and no learning curve. RemotePoint Presenters, the first choice of business and presentation professionals worldwide.